Today's lecture is about Coriolis mass flow meter. As the number 1 suggests, this is the first lecture in this series. In this lecture, we are going to talk about Coriolis mass flow meter using oscillatory movement. What is exactly this oscillatory movement we are going to discuss. But first of all, let us see the difference between mass flow and volume flow. Earlier we have talked about flow meters in which we had been measuring the volume flow. Then the volume flow was being multiplied with density of the fluid, and thereby we used to get the mass flow. But if the density changes, this measurement of mass flow shall be not correct. Whereas Coriolis mass flow meter measures the mass flow directly. In this you can see a tube. This is a hollow tube, and this hollow tube is being oscillated around this axis. This oscillatory motion is being applied to this hollow tube. This oscillatory motion is being applied using a drive coil. Now when the fluid flow is taking place, flow is going like this and coming out like this. At the same time, the oscillation movement is being applied. This oscillation movement goes up and down. So when the flow is going around this tube and the tube is oscillating upwards, you can see that in this arm of the hollow tube, the fluid force is in the direction of the oscillation, and in this tube the fluid force is opposite to the tube oscillation. So you can see that here force is downward, here force is upward, because of which a twisting action is being taking place. Because of this twisting action, we get a twist angle. So the complete loop is twisted by an amount that is directly and linearly proportional to the mass flow rate of the fluid. Here we have shown the tube oscillation direction upwards. When it is downwards, this force will reverse, this force will reverse, and this twist angle shall also reverse. This twist angle is measured with the help of electromagnetic velocity detectors. This fluid force is nothing but Coriolis force. About this Coriolis force we shall go in detail in our next lecture. The next lecture is about Coriolis mass flow meter demonstration. Please subscribe to get the timely information about the next lecture. Thank you.